Good morning, good morning, good morning. It has been storming here on the mountain for 2 days. And it's not raining yet this morning. It's supposed to rain again today. So we're going to do a little walking around, hanging out. Good morning. Good morning, Domino. Good morning. Your feet are muddy. Your feet are muddy. All the animals are chipper this morning. I've already seen Coco running around a little bit this morning. And we got old Miss Excited here. Miss Excited already out this morning, jumping around, jumping around, huh? Jumping around. You all happy this morning, huh? She's always so excited when she comes out the cabin in the morning. Big news, guys. We got more babies. We got more babies on the mountain. We'll go over there and check on Mama here soon. Go over here, look at all this wetness. Already got a chicken out this morning. Every morning. What are you doing, Bex? Look at all this water. Definitely got a low area right here that I'm going to have to address. And a low area right there whenever I level all of this out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It was a wet one last night, huh? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What's going on, Billy Badass? Good morning. Man. I hate it when it gets all wet and nasty out here. Makes it difficult to do anything. Let's go over here and check on the baby goats. I hear you, Chanel. I see you've gotten back to your making noise again. You're making noise. Oh, check that out. That looks cool. Lead the way, Domino. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Looks like we had a branch fall out the tree. You hear it popping? You hear that? Try to do this without getting shocked. Get low with it. A lot of rain last night, huh, Chief? Oh, good. Need two hands for a second. Yeah, we'll do a little walking around today, see what else fell, because definitely was some high winds last night, a lot of rain, a lot of water. Alright. Alright, y'all are re-energized. Good morning, Coco. Good morning, little guys. They're already getting big. The female, she's she's put on quite a bit of weight. Quite a bit of weight. I hear you. I hear you. I'll give you your morning groceries when I'm done, Chanel. When I'm done. Ugh. I hear you. I hear you. All right, y'all ready? Good morning, Mama. You see all the movement in there? I'll show you a little bit. I'm not gonna pick them up right now. There is 10 of them, guys. She had 10, didn't you, Mama? Hmm? Didn't you? You had 10 babies, huh? 10 babies. Big old babies, too. Big old fat jokers. She had them yesterday evening. About midday. Hold on, I gotta put y'all down for a second. Y'all looked at the sky. Yeah, she had 10 babies. 7 of them look like they're gonna be white. 3 of them have some color. 2 of them solid, and 1 of them looks like they're gonna be like spotted. It is definitely wet. Wet, wet. Spring is definitely coming, guys. Look how much greener it's getting out here. This right here is the next pile that we are going to burn. Coming soon. And got to take out this Widowmaker here soon. Yeah, the grass is already starting to come in over here at the boneyard. And the trees are starting to bloom. Don't look like we got anything major down over here, so that's good. This area right here drains pretty good out of this whole area. I believe that right there is the only little puddle. And we got a ton of rain. That is about to be fixed at the beginning of April. Got somebody coming to look at that. So I'll be happy to get the boat going. Get it ready for the meetup. Ooh, look at this. That's new. That's new, ain't it, Domino? Did you bring that over here? Did you bring that over here? Huh. Wonder what that's from. Crazy. It is definitely starting to thicken up already. Ooh, I hope they get Uber back fast. Fast, fast, fast. Because spring has sprung. Even though it's not red time for spring yet. Look at all that craziness. Mother Nature is amazing, guys. It is crazy how fast Mother Nature works. Chanel is back to being her vocal self, boy, let me tell you. She wants some groceries this morning. Groceries. You gonna go feed the goats? You can go feed them, Domino. Yeah, I just wanted to do a little quick one today, guys. Show y'all how wet it is around here. Old Coco done found the greenness. You done found all the green, didn't you, Coco? Just being the lawnmower? Yep. Keeping everything cut down, ain't you? Yep, now that everything's starting to be green, I'm gonna give the babies about 1 more week, and then I'll start letting the goats out during the day to kind of eat some of this greenness around here, and then putting them back in the evening. Let them do a little running. Good morning, little guy. Good morning. Good morning, Miss Thing. Chief, you're a camera hog. You're a camera hog, Chief. We get it, Chanel. We get it. We get it. Alright guys, I think that's going to be about it for this morning. I got to get motivated, got some things to do. I need to get these guys fed this morning so she'll quiet down for a little while. So she is back to her loud self. I did get me a haircut yesterday and get my beard shaped a little bit. See? All freshly shaved. Also bought me another cowboy hat because I'm going to start using this one for outside because it's about to start getting sunny and bright again now that spring is here. So this is an old hat, and I decided that this year I'm going to convert it to my working hat, and got me another one for stepping out. So well guys, I love every single one of y'all. Happy Friday. I hope y'all had a productive week. I hope y'all took a lot of steps closer to your goals. Hopefully y'all did something nice for somebody this week, and you kept it real throughout it all. So until we see each other again, come out. Let's go on another adventure, guys.